Philodendron Plant Care Tips. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Growing philodendron indoors is not a difficult task. You have to know some requirements of this plant. So, watch this video carefully. There are everything what you need to know in detail in this video. Philodendrons are native to America and West Indies and are popular to the gardeners for their shiny, dark green attractive foliage. Many exotic varieties bring a certain tropical feel indoors. There are 400 philodendron species and many of them are popular houseplants like Brazil, Micans, Brandy, Heartleaf, Splitleaf, Moonlight, Pink Princess, Prince of Orange, and Rojo Congo. Choosing a pot size is determined by the philodendron type that you are growing. Large varieties like tree philodendron need a bigger pot. Heartleaf philodendron can be grown in hanging baskets. In general, take 6 inches terracotta pot, then let the plant grow. When it outgrows, take one size bigger pot during repotting. Requirements for growing philodendron. They grow naturally in humid tropical forests, under a dense canopy of trees, in humus-rich moist soil, getting indirect light, having warm temperature, and humid surroundings. Philodendrons need exactly this type of conditions: indirect light, rich loaming soil, which is slightly moist, and humidity in air. Place it near a window or door where it can receive bright indirect light. Soil. The soil should be light, porous, loose, well-draining, and rich in organic matter. Add cow dung or vermicompost in garden soil to make it fertile. Add reverse sand and cocoa pit in it to make it perfect potting mix for philodendron. Watering. In outdoors, philodendron loves moist soil, but when grown in a pot indoors, overly moist soil can cause root rot. It is better to keep the soil slightly moist and add water when you see the top soil is slightly dry. Temperature and humidity. Try to keep the temperature above 15 degrees centigrade. Keep the surrounding humid by placing a humidifier near it. Special care. Some varieties like Lacy Tree and Xanadu develop pups. Keep removing these pups regularly, plant them separately for more philodendron. Crowded pups can hamper the growth of the mother plant. It's a way of propagation. Pruning. Use a sharp pruner, prune the plant to control its length, snip off the discolored leaves from the stem. Trim the overgrown stem if you don't want them to grow bigger. Always propagate these cuttings in water for more philodendron plants. Fertilizer. Take any balanced liquid fertilizer like NPK 10-10-10, Epsom salt, and micronutrient to feed the plant, especially during spring and summer. Avoid fertilizing in winter. Pests and disease. Use neem oil if you see spider mites, mealy bugs, scale insects, and thrips. Is philodendron toxic? Yes, leaves and stems contain calcium oxalate, which can be toxic to humans and pets if ingested. The crystals can irritate the GI tract and mouth. Sometimes, it may result in the burning of mouth and throat, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. Grow some philodendron varieties in your indoor and outdoor garden, enjoy their beautiful foliage, and relax. If you like this video and it helps you, please click the like button. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Remember to take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.